think that I actually bought this particular sardine. Like, I bought it. There was a day I wanted to cook noodles, so I sent my security to help me go to a supermarket to get sardine. So when he brought it, I wanted to use it. I was seeing S2s. I said, which one be S2s? It's Titus, I know. The next, okay, I used it. I still used it to cook. When I test this thing, it was like nothing close to sardine fish. Like, it was nothing close to it. And the fish, they cut it like, 3-piece. When you see a long fish and you cut the head, the center, the tail, that was what they did. Meanwhile, the original Titus fish, you only put it like, just remove all, you take out only the head and just leave only the down part. Like, the way Nigerians, the things Nigerians now, I don't understand Nigeria again. Look at now. This hair, I made it yesterday. Look at. Now, these coils, not the coil, look at this, the tip here. It was actually going to be smaller than this because the lush was fake. Yes, that's what the hairstylist told me, that the attachment was fake. That was why, even when they were pouring hot water on it, it could not slip down. Like, just look at it. So Nigerians, the level of fake things is becoming too much, and our government are just doing something else. They are not even checking people that are opening shop. They are not even checking how satisfied these people are, if they got the right education for this stuff. They allow anybody to open shop and produce anything. Now that you guys have to take your job seriously and go into all these hidden places, because if you enter your house now to check, you find out that a lot of the things you have bought and you have consumed, they are fake. It's too much. We are humans. You find out that someone sleep and just die. It's because of the fake things. Fake things is too much in Nigeria. So Adibin, I eat that thing now and it's contaminated or what? Who knows what will happen today? I'm really tired. I'm really tired of this country.